everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are waiting on game day and we are going to be making these delicious garlic Parmesan chicken wings. We're going to fry them up in our deep fryer and then we are going to season them up buttery, garlicky, and cheesy. And I'm also going to be using this awesome cheese grater that was sent to me, and I'm going to share with you more information about that. But in the meantime, let's go see how these delicious garlic Parmesan chicken wings come together just in time for the big game. So today we're going to be sharing these garlic Parmesan wings. This is really simple. I have a big tray of chicken wings that I got at Sam's Club. I think it's about 5 pounds, honestly. Come here first. We're gonna do our dredge, which I have in this container. And this is just equal parts of cornstarch and flour. So I have 2 cups of cornstarch and 2 cups of flour. You may not need that many if you're only doing a dozen wings. You're just gonna adjust this to suit your needs. Just know it's equal parts of flour and cornstarch. The cornstarch is gonna make these super crispy. I have my deep fryer heating up to 375, and these are just gonna go in there for about 12 minutes. But we're gonna season up this dredge. I've got, for my amount of cornstarch and flour, I've got a tablespoon each of my favorite chicken seasoning. You use whatever all-purpose seasoning you like or leave it out. A tablespoon of paprika, a half a tablespoon of cracked black pepper, and a half a tablespoon of kosher salt. So there we go. And then all we do is kind of just give this a little bit of a whisk. We're gonna make our sauce by melting a stick of butter. I have a couple of tablespoons, the equivalent of 5 or 6 cloves of garlic that's minced. And then here I have about a tablespoon of dried parsley and a tablespoon of some really fantastic dried garlic and parsley mix. Once we get the wings coated in all the saucy goodness, we're gonna hit them with some grated parm and we're gonna call it good. All right, we're gonna throw some wings in here. Probably I can do 6 at a time. Put the lid on. Boom. You can also do this in a Ziploc bag. After you get everything good and coated, fish out your wing pieces. Got one more in here, so make sure you count how many go in so that you know how many are supposed to come out, okay? All right, I'm gonna go ahead and dredge up the rest of these and then we will meet you out at the fryer. All right, we're out here at the fryer. This is a Masterbuilt extra large electric turkey fryer. It holds 3 gallons of peanut oil. We've got our wings ready to go. You want them in a single layer and we're gonna lower them slowly into the hot oil. And then those are gonna go for 12 minutes. And when they're ready to be pulled out, we'll come back and we'll show you what they look like. All right, this is our last batch of wings. They're coming out of the fryer. Just like that. I have the rest of them over here. And I've been just putting them in the oven in between batches to keep them warm. You're gonna burn yourself, honey. I guarantee. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take these on inside and we're gonna sauce up our garlic Parmesan wings. And then we're gonna enjoy some wings and some fries for Sunday dinner. Okay, we're ready to make the Parmesan garlic sauce for our wings. I have a stick of butter that I melted in here, and we're gonna just go ahead and put in our spices. This is our garlic and parsley, and this is fresh garlic. That first garlic was dried garlic, and we're just gonna give this a little stir. This is gonna be so good. That smells good already. It's gonna be so good. Okay, and then all we have to do is get our wings in here, and I think I can just toss probably all of these in here at once. And we're gonna put the lid on it, and then we're gonna give it a toss, because to me, this is the easiest way to coat wings with sauce. Boom. Look at that. Beautiful. Garlicky and delicious. And then you can just roll these in here. if you like, to get more garlic from the bottom. And then people can just dip in. You can have a little spoon in there. You can even have a loaf of garlic bread or plain Italian bread on the side. Little cheese grater, and we're gonna hit this with Parmesan cheese, and that's gonna melt in. Okay guys, we'll get back to the wings in just a minute and we'll have our final taste test, but I wanted to take you through how this cheese grater works, because I know you're gonna have questions and I want you to see it firsthand in case you're super interested in having one at home for yourself. This is 100% stainless steel, and I just want to show you how easy it is to switch out the barrel. So it has a little notch here, and you just pop it open. The hopper swings open. You can switch out your barrel, and it comes with 4 different barrels. So it comes with a very fine, a medium, a large grind, and then it comes with a slicing blade. So what I want to show you first, I'm going to go ahead and put this large grating barrel in here, and I just want to show you, we're going to put some zucchini in here, and it's super easy. You're just going to press and with your left hand or whatever your dominant hand is, and you're going to turn with your other hand. There you go. And it gets down to the skin part, and you can just discard it, no problem. All right, I popped in my medium grating blade, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do some carrots. And this is really great. That's funny, it's great. You wanna make sure when you put your carrot or your vegetable in there that it's in the center. And then go ahead and put your pressure holder down there. Okay, when you grate the carrots, it's gonna wanna stick up on the inside, so just go ahead and tap it out, just like that, and you'll be good to go. Okay, I popped some cheddar cheese in here just so you guys could see what it looks like coming out. This grates really smooth. Really nice and smooth. And you saw me the other day do some Parmesan, and I'll just keep this wide blade in here just so you can see. We'll grate some Parm up. And of course you can do it fine. I used the fine barrel when I did it with for the chicken wings today, and there is a little bit of a learning curve. You're gonna wanna get where that sweet spot is as far as how it feels in your hand and everything else. The other fun thing you can do is, I'm gonna change the barrel out one more time and put this fine one on here. I'm gonna pop some nuts in here. Grate up some nuts, because sometimes you want some ground nuts and maybe you don't want to chop them.
Look at that.
And there you have finely ground pecans. Boom. That's super easy. That works really well. And then if you're going to do nuts, you should do chocolate. So I have some white chocolate here. Look at how nicely that grates up some chocolate. That is how you use the Hensemon Home 4-in-1 cheese grater. The people at Hensemon Home are offering a discount for the first 50 people who use the link down below. You're going to get a 25% off discount promo code, and you'll be able to purchase that with the discount. So I think that's a really great deal. I'm going to leave that link down below, but remember, the discount codes are limited to the first 50 people, and you're going to want to use that link, and then you're going to fill in your email address, and then they're going to send you a special code and a link to where you can purchase it. Hey you guys, I almost forgot. They've asked me to let you know that if you get one, go ahead and leave a review for them on their Amazon page so that you can let the and let everyone else know what you think about this 4-in-1 cheese grater. That's my little demonstration. You guys asked for it. I've used it in the last couple of videos, and several of you said, can you please show us more about this cheese grater? So there you go. If you're interested, links down below. I've also got information here on the screen, and I hope you enjoyed this little demonstration. Now, back to our garlic Parmesan wings. There you have it. Our garlic Parmesan chicken wings are ready to enjoy, and I think that we're going to go ahead and give these a try. I think they're going to be amazing. And remember, if you want to learn more about this beautiful handheld 4-in-1 cheese grater from Henseman Home, I'll leave links down below. So I think these are perfect for game day. I mean, who doesn't love wings when you're watching football, baseball, basketball, whatever it is you enjoy most, and you don't even need to be a sports fan to be a wing fan. So, you want to try these?
Okay.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure you do. Let's see. You ready?
That is delicious.
Oh my gosh. I think he's surprised. These are really, really good, guys. Well, there you have it. Oh my gosh. I'm going to put that right there. No worries, it's just my family. We all have the same germs. Oh man, it's so good. And I am not the hugest wing fan, but these are really, really delicious. I hope when you're planning your Super Bowl party or whatever it is you're gonna do, that you consider making these garlic Parmesan chicken wings, because they are amazing. I hope that you like the video, and if you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up. Like I said, if you want to learn more about this awesome cheese grater, links are down below. If you're new to my kitchen and you just happened to cross my video because you were looking for a great wing recipe, welcome. It's awesome to have you and welcome new friends into the kitchen. Please hit that subscribe button, and if you are already a tried and true member of the Noreen's Kitchen family, please go down and hit the bell notification button, because we don't want any of you to miss out on all the real food for real people, real easy recipes that we present right here on our YouTube channel and straight from our kitchen. I hope that you give these garlic Parmesan chicken wings a try, and I hope that you love them. And until next time, happy eating!